Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this TecNiq recessed mount waterproof blue mini LED boat accent light. Now this is a mini LED accent light that'll provide a nice bright blue light for your boat. So it is also great for upgrading or replacing your area light, step light, underseat, engine compartment, and even walkway lighting. Has a nice clear, high clarity lens, and it provides 90 degrees of lighting, so when it's mounted you can see like this, the light will shine directly down. It is a nice sealed waterproof housing and lens unit, has an IP68 rating. If you notice, the lens itself is a clear lens and it's over one blue LED, and then you notice it has the black cover right here. Now at the end of this video I am going to connect this light to some 12 volt power just to show you how bright the light is and the color, but I first want to go over some of the features of it. It is a premium LED, which is energy efficient, long lasting, and vibration resistant. It is rated for up to 100,000 hours of operation. They do use military grade construction of the circuit board on this light, which means it uses urethane potting, which gives you better protection than the common epoxy potting. It is compatible with 12 volt DC system. As you can see, it is a recessed mount installation, has the surface mount flange. So basically that'll go into requires a 3/4 inch diameter hole for this light to fit into, and then the surface mount flange goes up against the surface, and it requires also 2 screws for installation. Now the distance between these mounting holes center to center is 1 1/8 inches. This does hardwire to your application. It has 2 wires and a nice protective sheathing, a power and a ground wire, and the wire length is about 7 inches. We'll do the dimensions and then hook it up, but basically the length on this from one end to the other end, it's about 1 3/4 inches long. The diameter, bottom to the top, is about 15/16 of an inch, and the total depth is also going to be about 15/16 of an inch. Input voltage 9 volts to 14 volts, and we'll go ahead and hook this up to our power now. Once we get it all hooked up, turn on our 12 volt power, and there you can see the single blue LED. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the overhead light. You can see how it gives a nice bright blue light to it, and you can see, as I mentioned, that when it's mounted like in that position, you can see that the light goes directly down 90 degrees. Lights up a very bright area, large area. I want to zoom out just to show you from a distance how much light it does give off. And zoom back in. And turn off our overhead lights, or turn them back on, turn off our power. But that should do it for the review on this TecNiq recessed mount waterproof blue mini LED boat accent light.